Your Highness, wakey wakey. Hello. Hey, hey, hey! Are you alive? Are you alive yet? Tell me if you're still dead. Come on, don't keep me hanging. Oh, you're up. Rise and shine, sleepyhead. I hope I didn't disturb you. Would have been a shame if I messed up your sweet slumber. Dunno. You're the one who called me. Yup. Such a nice boat. Let's keep the ship sailing. Whoa! Does this mean the feeling's mutual? You know what that means. I like ya, bud. Can I take you home? Oh dear, you're right. How rude of me. Well, I guess you can call me Jester. Pleasure to meet ya, my dear master. Well then, my dear master, please close your eyes. Oh. Huh? Who are... Monster! No! Spare me! Funny coming from someone keeping a cadaver in the back. We were just tasked to dispose of it. Do I look like I care? Open your eyes, dearie. Do you like it? Come now, my lovely master. Let us raise the world together.